Welcome to Trivia Titans, the ultimate quiz show. Which species of octopus is known for its remarkable ability to mimic other marine animals? A. Blue-ringed octopus. B. Common octopus. C. Mimic octopus. D. Giant Pacific octopus. The correct answer is C. Mimic octopus. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? A. Bat. B. Flying squirrel. C. Sugar glider. D. Colugo. The correct answer is A. Bat. Which bird is renowned for its elaborate courtship dance and extravagant tail display? A. Ostrich. B. Peacock. C. Flamingo. D. Quetzal. The correct answer is B. Peacock. Which animal is known for its unique ability to regenerate lost limbs? A. Sea urchin. B. Jellyfish. C. Starfish. D. Crab. The correct answer is C. Starfish. Which animal is known for undertaking the longest migration, traveling over 25,000 miles annually? A. Monarch butterfly. B. Humpback whale. C. Caribou. D. Arctic tern. The correct answer is D. Arctic tern. Which reptile is famous for its longevity, with some individuals living over 100 years? A. Komodo dragon. B. Galapagos tortoise. C. Gila monster. D. Green anole. The correct answer is B. Galapagos tortoise. Which marine animal is known for its ability to change color and texture to blend into its surroundings? A. Cuttlefish. B. Flounder. C. Squid. D. Octopus. The correct answer is D. Octopus. Which insect is celebrated for its iridescent wings and is often called a living jewel? A. Dragonfly. B. Butterfly. C. Cicada. D. Ladybug. The correct answer is A. Dragonfly. Which mammal's per-hour ribian is known for its loud, distinctive mating call that can be heard over long distances? A. Bullfrog. B. Tree frog. C. Salamander. D. Newt. The correct answer is A. Bullfrog. Which large cat is known for its distinctive black rosettes and is native to both Africa and Asia? A. Lion. B. Leopard. C. Cheetah. D. Tiger. The correct answer is B. Leopard. Thanks for playing Trivia Titans. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your score to join the challenge.